Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today I'm going to be telling you what modules to take in the higher certificate in law and the mistakes I made basically. So someone asked me to make this video. Cooking with Coco asked me to make a video that's relating to choosing the modules for those who struggle to choose. But this is for the higher certificate though. So the first thing you need to know is the I certificate is a 1 year program basically. You do it in 1 year, so it's 5 modules a semester. You have to choose 5 modules in the first semester and 5 modules in the second semester. Basically, that is the basic thing you need to know. So the first module I would advise you to take is obviously Introduction to Law. That should be your first one because it teaches you the fundamentals of what law is and all of those things that you need to know. That's why you should take it in first semester so that you get like a basic of what law is. And then the second module, I would say introduction to the general principles of criminal law. That is an interesting module that I think will help you. Also, it gives you a basic understanding of how criminal law works. But yeah. So the third module I would advise you to take is AFL 1503, which is Language and Communication Skills Acquisition in African Language. Here you will have to learn another language that is not relating to English or Afrikaans. It has to be Zulu or the other languages in South Africa, but it has to be one of those. So you're going to be learning. I would advise you to take that because first semester you get for me, the first semester is more time to study, so you'll have more time to try and learn those. For me, it worked perfectly. And then the fourth one, I will advise you to take ENG 1503, Academic Language and Literacy, because this will basically teach you how to write essays. I think it teaches you also how to reference correctly. So you will learn how to you will learn how to reference in the Harvard style, which I think that's the only way we do it at Unisa. And then the fifth one, I would say, let me check. I would say the fifth one for first semester is Introduction to Research Methodology for Law and Criminal Justice. That I think that one is a law, the 300-page one. It's either that IRM, but you can choose if you want IRM. But this research, that teaches you basically how to research, so it will benefit. Okay, so now on to second semester. So second semester, first of all, I will say Introduction to Paralegal Studies, because this is an interesting module. It will help you to feel that excitement that you got in the first semester, because this is like 50 pages long. The how can I say, the textbook of whatever, the study guide is like 50 pages long. So this is an easy distinction you can get. The second module I would advise you to get is skills course for law students. Is SCL 1501. So that it has a little bit medicine, but like I told you in the previous video, it has a little bit of medicine, but you will get the hang of it. It explains everything, all the methods you need to know. It will be there. But second semester, that's a good one to take in second semester. And then the third module, I would say, where's this one now? Citizen, Public Participation and Democracy. So this is parliament based, teaches you the fundamentals of parliament work and all of those things. But you will see what I mean when you get semester is better for it, because it's a lot of reading though. Just know that it's a lot of reading. And then the last one, the fifth one, I would say is INS 1502, developing information skills for lifelong learning. This is basically, it is basic knowledge things in that textbook. It might look big in the study, in the study guide might look big, but it's basic knowledge information that's in there, so you will get the hang of it quickly. That's why I advise second semester. So those are the modules in second semester, and I hope you guys register in time, and I hope NSFAS pays your study fees for those who are under NSFAS, and for those who aren't, all the best to you all. See you guys next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.